Hola!
Hola!
And welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Now today, it is a special day at the Marina Bar in Torreta too.
It's exactly 1 year today, the 1st of October, since Mason and Dawn took over as hosts at this fantastic venue.
And it's a lovely day today. We couldn't wish for a better day. The sun is shining. You won't believe it's October. And today we're having a barbecue and we're going to have some live music.
So we're just here now waiting for everybody to arrive.
Preparations are well underway for today's celebrations. Let's go and see Dawn and Mason. Come on.
Yeah.
So tell us, what is today all about?
Well, today's about celebrating our 1st year anniversary.
Right.
All working together in business at the Marina Bar. We're having a celebration. We have some percussionists coming from Alicante, Afro-Brazilian Drum Blocos. We saw them in San Juan in Alicante and we were really impressed and thought it'd be a great way to open the celebrations.
Very good.
For our party, really, as a way to say thank you to all our customers that have supported us all year round.
You got plenty of people coming?
We hope so. We've set all the tables up and we're ready to go. All the sunbeds are there. So they're starting the celebrations, and then we have the one, the only DJ Pid.
Oh, Pid, we know Pid.
We've got a barbecue going on over there, so customers can enjoy a barbecue and the sunshine and the reggae vibes still in October. We've got a free pool today, and also we want to give our customers a welcome drink when they arrive.
Oh, wow.
So that's how we're going to start the celebration.
That's great.
Today.
And how has your first year been?
Amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it's a year today, isn't it? Is it a year today?
Amazing, yeah. The best team, everybody's just happy to be here. We love working together. We have the best customers. All the customers that walk through the door just come with a really positive atmosphere, and so yeah, it's just been a brilliant year, really.
Excellent. Any plans for the future?
To keep it the way it is, the same atmosphere and same vibe, because that's something everybody says when they come through the door. They feel like it's like a really nice vibe and feel the energy and they feel happy, they feel, you know, like it's a community.
Yeah.
So we want to keep it as it is, but we do want to do a few more refurbishments. But yeah, we're looking to get some more umbrellas around the pool, more fixed, so it's safer and secure for customers.
What would you like to say to your customers, you know?
Well, obviously, we wouldn't have got through the year without them. We all know that. All of us know that we wouldn't be in a job if we didn't have customers coming through the door, and I think that's our ethos, really.
Yeah.
We need to do our best provide the best food, best service, the best environment, clean and tidy, a nice environment that you feel comfortable, happy, so that they come back. But just to say a massive thank you.
Yeah, great.
We all know we wouldn't be here without them.
And it always feels a really happy place.
Yeah. Well, we're just happy. We're happy to be here. We all, you know, we're all working together. We love what we do, and if customers feel happy here, then yeah, we can continue to carry on doing what we're doing.
Congratulations to Marina Bar.
Soda. Yeah, thank you.
To Mason and Dawn for the first year.
Yeah, bro. That's been fantastic.
All the best. Yeah,
Thank you, Mason.
A great day. We had a fantastic day.
Yeah, fabulous.
Still going.
We've had a lovely
so thank you very much indeed.
Really enjoyed today.
Had a great day.
Very good.
Yeah, we've enjoyed it. We all enjoyed it.
Take care. Talking to
This last year has been really, really good. There's anybody going there.
Yeah, fantastic, isn't it?
They do so well. They're all so friendly and everything's really good.
Yeah, and the staff are brilliant, aren't they?
Yeah,
Great staff.
Brilliant, guys.
Yeah, we've had a good time, haven't we? It's been great.
Reflecting on the year, I'd just like to say massive thanks also to our staff team. We're again with the customers, but also with our staff team. We wouldn't be in the position that we are now, with customers coming back through the doors and returning, if it wasn't for them. They all work really hard. Yeah, our business is only as good as our team, really. They're hard working, always got a smile on the face. They give it everything like we do ourselves, so just a massive thanks to the staff team. Truly appreciate them. We're doing what we love, all of us together. Every day that we come into work, we're grateful, and that we wouldn't be doing that if people didn't come here and didn't return here. So we are truly, truly grateful.
Can we have all the members of staff here, please? And give them all a big round of applause. Come on, you lot. Come on.
Hi everybody.
Hey.
Having a good time. Woo! I've been designated to get up here. Thank you, everyone. You're not customers to us, you're friends, real good friends that we can laugh, joke and cry with. Rita and Dave left us with this bar and it was already a community, and we've just continued with that. I think we are a big community here. I think we should all be really proud of ourselves. We look after one another when we need one another. It's not just about having a drink and something to eat. So we all just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for you all being here, supporting us from day one, listening to us, being with us on our journey. I just also wanted to say a massive thanks to all our staff as well. They just come in here every day, exactly as we do, with big smiles on their faces and just want to give it the best. We really, really love our jobs, all of us. We're all really good friends, and we're totally blessed. Every morning we wake up, we're totally blessed that we get to do this. We're really happy. We've created some great memories, funny memories over the past year, and we hope that we can continue with them. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. If we need to do anything better to improve, please tell us. But we just want to carry on doing what we're doing. But if we need to do anything else, let us know. And thank you all so much. We really appreciate it.
Well, what a fabulous day it's been. We would just like to wish Dawn and Mason and their team all the very best for the future.
And on that note, it's time to wrap it up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
It's free.
It's free. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Adios.